Today the girls are making a radish dish from Aunt Julia and Uncle Mike to make homemade pasta. So wish us luck. We've never done this. What are you adding in?
Not yet.
That's salt. Put it in. And then Sissy's over here measuring flour.
Okay, that's good with salt. Okay, that's good, Clea. That's good. That was way too much.
You can do the eggs. So adding oil. Oil. Okay, do you see the picture we're on? Let's turn it this way. We're right here. We're on step 4, making our dough.
We need it. Okay.
It says chocolate milk on there?
That's chocolate milk. Right here.
Oh.
Look at this.
What are you doing, Clea? Keep it on there. There you go, Kinley. Balling up the dough, making a mess.
I'm not sure.
Cheddar white cheese.
It's mozzarella.
Mozzarella cheese and then ricotta cheese.
Ricotta.
Ricotta cheese.
And what's the third one? The one that you're eating?
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese. Measure out your cheeses. No, not all of it. I think that's more than 2 tablespoons.
That's a 1/3.
1/3 on the inside of it.
There's a 1.
Lick it, it's just cheese.
You're rolling nothing, right?
I'm glad you're taking turns.
So what are we making?
What's this one say we're doing?
What are we making?
Like baby balls.
Make baby balls. Okay, that really is what it says. What did you say before? What do those look like?
This is this.
What are these?
Moose. Ah,
What?
no fun.
Okay, there's that. You're gonna need it. Yeah.
Okay, we waited 30 minutes, and now we're going to open it and see.
This is a baby. That ball, big ball. I do that.
You pull some off and make a little ball.
Ew, that's horrible.
Look, I do baby.
Okay, make it into a ball.
Look, you already made a mess.
Baby. Look at my face.
Are you making noodles?
Huh?
Push hard. Okay, do another one. Clea, are you only 2?
I want two.
Pretty good chef.
Let's put this off.
Like with your fingers, it's
I'll
what?
do this one, baby one. I'll do baby one.
So Dad, come in and see.
Okay, that's enough. Noodles are filled with cheese.
These are noodles.
they floated up, and that's when you know that they're ready to get out. I'm just gonna use a bowl. Okay, so I'm going to stir the sauce and then put some in the bowl.
Safety first back there, huh, Kalia?
Then I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese. Not fresh, but my favorite.
Chef Kalia, we're going to need to use your newest rolling pin. Oh my gosh, you're videoing me. I didn't realize it was on. Rolling pin. Okay, you hold that.
Oh, right there. Guess I should know that.
We're going to need some salt.
Brown eggs are good.
Oh, those are just
White eggs.
fresh farm eggs. They're better.
My
Prego.
restaurant.